Alright class, I'm going to spend a few minutes to simplify this problem. So we have two rational expressions or two algebraic fractions. Okay. Before I continue, I am going to put a 1 here and a 1 here. Alright. Next step, I'm going to determine what the common denominator is. Alright. So, common denominator. And I'm gonna go quickly here, assuming that you saw my first video. Alright. So my common denominator is x take away 2 times x plus 3. Alright. So all I did, I took the two denominators and multiplied them together. Alright. My next step is to make my denominators resemble my common denominator. Alright. So let's do that. So x plus 4 over x take away 2 minus 1 times x minus 7 over x plus 3. Alright. Now my common denominator has x minus 2 and x plus 3. Now we have a missing x minus 2, so we need to write that beside it. At the top, I'm going to do the same. Alright. On this side, we have a missing x plus 3, because our common denominator has an x plus 3. So we need to have an x plus 3 here to make our denominator resemble what we have here. So x plus 3, multiply the top by the same as well, x plus 3. Okay. Right. Notice I have a 1 here, I no longer have a 1 here. Because as I said in the previous video, anything I multiply by 1 would give me the same thing, which is x plus 4 over x take away 2. Alright. Now, we have a common denominator, which means that we can keep it. So x plus 3 times x take away 2. Alright, at the top I'm going to write x plus 3 times x plus 4 minus 1 times x take away 7 times x take away 2. Alright, I'm going to multiply these two. Alright. So x times x is x squared, right? X times 4, that is 4x. 3 times x, that is 3x. Alright? 3 times 4, that is 12. Okay? Negative 1, I'm going to keep that. Alright? X times x, that is x squared. X times negative 2, negative 2x. Negative 7 times x, negative 7x. Negative 7, times negative 2, that's a plus 14. Plus 14, alright? Please forgive me for my messy handwriting here. All right, all over x plus 3 times x take away 2. All right. All right, let's keep working. So x squared, I have two like terms here. All right, they would combine to give me 7x. All right, plus 12. Now before I continue, I'm going to multiply everything inside by -1. All right, so -1 times x squared, that's going to give me negative x squared. -1 times -2x, that is positive 2x. -1 times -7x, that's a positive 7x. -1 times a positive 14, that's -14, over x plus 3 times x take away 2. All right, and let's finish this up now. All right, so all right, we have two like terms. Those two would cancel, as you can see. All right, we have some more like terms containing x only. So 7x combines with 7x to give me 14x. 14x combines with 2x to give me 16x. So 16x. And I have what here? 12 and negative. So 12 and -14, that's a -2, all over x plus 3 times x take away 2. All right, that's my answer. Okay, now I could factorize the top because the GCF of these two terms is 2, so I could factor out a 2. Yes, and inside I would have what? I would divide each term by my GCF, which is 2. So inside I would have 8x minus 1 over x plus 3 times x take away 2. X take away 2. All right. So this is an 8. Okay. All right. Now, if you stop right here, that would be fine for now. All right. But if you see where you can factorize the top, you can practice to do so. All right. If you have forgotten how to factorize a binomial expression, you need to go back to the video that I created on the factorization of binomial expressions at the beginning of the term. All right. Now, all of this seems to be complicated. It is not. All you need to do is take your time, rewatch this video as many times as you wish. Pay attention to everything that you see me doing. Pay attention to what you see me doing. Okay? Pay attention to that. Okay? All right. Have a good day, class.